Good evening to one and all. Respected Dr. Manish Khaitan, President Obesity Surgery Society of India. Respected Dr. Randeep Wadhwan. Then the Principal, Dr. Jagmeet Madan, Vice Principal, Dr. Manjiri Bhalerao. Other speakers, Dr. Neeraj Raite and Dr. Geeta Dharmati, my faculty members and all the learned participants. I would extend warm and hearty welcome to one and all. Friends, as our chief guest has highlighted one point regarding this course, because we all are assembled here to launch a one certificate course, which is online certificate course in advanced bariatric nutrition. And no doubt at all, it is due to the support and coordination of DOS, then Geeta Nuri Hill Nutrition and Consultancy Unit, and Doc Board. Sir, I feel proud to say something about my SVT College of Home Science. It's an autonomous college. And already, Dr. Khaitan, you have mentioned that there is need to have structured nutrition course. You have highlighted the need of the present. And I know that during this COVID-19 and since long, what I noticed in the society, this obesity problem has the major issue of different disorders, and we are inviting different problems to our body, and therefore I feel that it is the necessity or it is an urgent need to think about the obesity, and you all are the expert, well-known, not only expert, but you are doing a wonderful job in this particular area. Being an autonomous college and part of this autonomous college, my principal, Dr. Jagmeet Madan, has explained that, and you may be knowing about the norms which are required to get autonomy. Because when the UGC gives autonomy to a particular higher education institute, in terms of the freedom, and they are allowed to frame their curriculum. And this freedom is given to our autonomous college, SVT College of Home Science. And Dr. Madan is doing very well. She is taking care of all these things, and she has started Master in Specialized Dietetics and M-Design. And this course is, of course, this course is certificate course in advanced bariatric nutrition, and it is online. The second part on which I would like to speak, on 29th July 20, we have received the Magna Carta, a great charter of National Education Policy 2020. Friends, you may be knowing about the policy, and since 1986, we were waiting to receive new document, and which will definitely create a history in Bharat. When we focus on the new education policy, and we will come to know that it has few strengths, not only few, but many more points related to its strength. There are 2 points which I wanted to highlight here. The first point is multiple entry and exit. And the second point is credit bank. You will understand this point by keeping in mind that this autonomous college has framed this wonderful certificate program on the advanced bariatric nutrition, and that is the need. Now see, from academic or the higher education point of view, those they are in the field, they don't get time. And the speciality of this program is, it is online, and students are allowed to learn on their own and with their own with their self pace. Now, when we receive the document as National Education Policy 20, and in the or on the occasion of it, we have framed such a wonderful and well-crafted program, Advanced Bariatric Nutrition. What I feel, by doing such kind of things like this online certificate course, our autonomous college will encourage the people or the nutritionists who are working with some hospital, some NGOs, or some other institutes. They will get an opportunity to learn through this course. And already Mr. Khaitan has highlighted the point. There is need to have this structured nutrition course. Then third point, what I would like to focus, because see, when there are multiple entries and exits, so the students or the girls or whosoever, they want to learn, and again they want to go back to their field, they will go, and their credits will be credited in their account. Now this is the we can say that facility to the academicians and practitioners also. The third point is, we are facing this obesity problem everywhere. I know little bit about the nutrition, but however, being a biochemist, I know certain things about the metabolic activities which are undertaken in the body. When we think about the entire metabolic, we can say that phenomenon in our body, there is need to think very seriously about this obesity. And as you said, Mr. Randeep has also expressed his views about this bariatric nutrition. Now, by coining the terms bariatric, because I don't know much about this bariatric nutrition, and I don't want to go into deep the different dimensions of this bariatric nutrition concept. But what I do understand, to make aware or to create awareness about the obesity, and to encourage the people who are in this particular domain, definitely I hope this online certificate course will help a lot. And by doing or by taking efforts, just not only framing the curriculum, but our autonomous college is well equipped. They have the full faculty members, they have good infrastructure, and everything they have which is necessary to cope up with the situation. And with the help of all these things, and due to support of DOS, and the other is Doc Mode and NutriHeal, definitely my principal and her team will bring good outcome out of this entire program and work. I am happy to extend hearty congratulations to Dr. Jagmeet and all the partners, plus all faculty members. With this word, I would express my gratitude towards all our supportive partners and my faculty members. Thank you very much.